Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth. This compact powerhouse has been turning heads and delivering thrills, and we're here to explore every facet of this remarkable machine. Introduction to the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth. The Fiat 500 has long been celebrated for its iconic design and urban agility. In 2025, the Abarth variant takes this beloved classic to new heights, infusing it with performance and style that cater to the modern driver seeking both excitement and efficiency. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth boasts a 1.4-litre turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive 160 horsepower and 184 pounds-to-feet of torque. This spirited engine ensures quick acceleration and a responsive driving experience, making city commutes and highway drives equally exhilarating. Drivers have the option between a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a hands-on, engaging experience, or a 6-speed automatic transmission for those who prefer a more relaxed drive. The sport-tuned suspension and Brembo brakes further enhance handling and stopping power, ensuring that the Abarth is as nimble as it is quick. Design and aesthetics. The exterior of the 2025 Abarth 500 is a harmonious blend of classic Fiat 500 charm and aggressive styling cues that signify its performance pedigree. A distinctive body kit, featuring a rear spoiler and front splitter, not only enhances aerodynamics but also gives the Abarth a bold and assertive stance on the road. Inside, the cabin is designed with the driver in mind. Sport seats provide ample support during spirited drives, while premium materials and finishes elevate the overall ambience. The flat-bottomed steering wheel and alloy pedals add to the sporty feel, ensuring that every interaction with the car reinforces its performance-oriented nature. Technology and features. Modern drivers expect modern conveniences, and the 2025 Abarth 500 delivers. Equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system, drivers can easily access navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Connectivity features such as Bluetooth and smartphone integration ensure that you stay connected, even on the go. Safety is also a priority, with advanced features including stability control, multiple airbags, and a reinforced safety cage, providing peace of mind without compromising on excitement. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth offers a dynamic and engaging experience. The turbocharged engine provides ample power, while the sport-tuned suspension ensures precise handling through corners. Whether navigating tight city streets or open highways, the Abarth remains composed and responsive. The exhaust note has been finely tuned to deliver a satisfying growl, enhancing the sensory experience and reminding drivers of the performance capabilities at their disposal. Fuel efficiency. Balancing performance with practicality. The 2025 Abarth 500 offers commendable fuel efficiency. The turbocharged engine is engineered for optimal power delivery without excessive fuel consumption, making it a viable option for daily commutes and longer journeys alike. Customization options. Understanding that drivers appreciate personalization, Fiat offers a range of customization options for the Abarth 500. From exterior color choices to interior trims and accessories, owners can tailor their vehicle to reflect their individual style and preferences. Conclusion. The 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering compact cars that don't compromise on performance or style. With its potent turbocharged engine, distinctive design, and modern features, the Abarth 500 offers an exhilarating driving experience wrapped in an iconic package. For those seeking a car that combines everyday practicality with spirited performance, the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth is a compelling choice that continues to uphold the legacy of this beloved model. The backside of the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth is a striking blend of sportiness and functionality, designed to enhance both aesthetics and performance. One of its most distinctive features is the aggressive rear bumper, which incorporates a sporty diffuser, improving aerodynamics and giving the car a more planted look on the road. Complementing this is a bold rear spoiler, designed not just for style but also for added downforce, helping with stability at higher speeds. The signature Abarth badging sits proudly on the tailgate, showcasing the car's racing heritage. The dual chrome-tipped exhaust system is a standout feature, producing a deep, aggressive growl that announces the Abarth's performance credentials. The LED taillights add a modern touch, offering better visibility and a sleeker appearance. Practicality hasn't been overlooked, as the rear hatch provides access to a surprisingly spacious cargo area for a compact performance car. The redesigned tailgate ensures easy loading and unloading, making the Abarth a fun yet functional urban companion. The rear window is slightly curved, enhancing the car's aerodynamics while maintaining the classic Fiat 500 silhouette, performance and style in a compact package. Powered by a turbocharged 1.4-liter engine producing 160 horsepower and 184 pounds-to-feet of torque, it delivers a thrilling driving experience. Available with a 5-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission, it balances excitement with everyday usability. Aggressive styling, a sport-tuned suspension, and Brembo brakes enhance its handling, while a finely tuned exhaust delivers a signature growl. Inside, sporty bucket seats, a flat-bottomed steering wheel, and an advanced infotainment system ensure comfort and connectivity. Despite its performance focus, the Abarth remains fuel-efficient, making it a practical yet fun choice for urban and highway driving. Customization options allow owners to personalize their ride. With a perfect blend of heritage, modern tech, and exhilarating dynamics, the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth is an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a small car with a big attitude. Overall, the backside of the 2025 Fiat 500 Abarth perfectly blends performance-focused design with everyday usability. Whether you're admiring its sporty aesthetics or enjoying its functional elements, the rear of the Abarth is a testament to its racing DNA and modern engineering. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.